Hey guys, it's Walt Kinney with Kia Country of Charleston. Today we're going to talk about tires. Stand by, we're going to get into this. Now, one of the simpler ways that you can check your tire, and I promise you probably have this tool laying around your house, is with a penny. If you take a penny, turn Abe Lincoln upside down, and put him head first into the groove. As long as his head goes below the groove, your tire is fine. If at any point his head is sticking out from the tread, you're below minimums and you need new tires. While you're doing your inspection, if you'll notice the tread, you'll see a line that comes through the treads right there. That's actually your wear indicator. If the tread ever gets even with these lines right here, that means you need new tires. Now, as you can see, the tire pressure is actually showing right on the dash, and it's showing me that I have 37 pounds of pressure in each one of my tires, with the exception of the driver's rear, which is at 36 pounds. Now, this will fluctuate as you drive the vehicle. When you get in the vehicle in the morning, your tires are cold, so they're going to show a lower pressure. As you start driving, that temperature or that pressure will raise the warmer that tire gets. So sometimes what you'll notice is in the middle of winter, you'll go to get out in your vehicle and you'll have a low tire pressure light. Once you start driving the vehicle and the tires heat up, more importantly, the air in the tires heat up, that'll raise the pressure and probably normalize it. Now, that was just a quick tour on inspecting your tires, but I hope it helped.